Growing herbs from cuttings is a great inexpensive way to make more plants. Taking cuttings is actually how most nurseries grow such herbs as rosemary, lemon balm, sage, oregano and thyme, just to name a few. It's a lot easier to do than growing them from seed, and this is what you'll need. Here I'm using some rosemary that I've taken from an existing plant that I have in the garden. You want foliage that is not too old and thick that it breaks easily when you bend it. Neither do you want it when it's too young and it will not break at all. Just somewhere in between. Cut these stems at around 15 centimetres long. Remove the bottom 3 or 4 centimetres of leaves and clean the base of the stem. Fill some small pots with some seed raising mix. Dip the stem into some root hormone. It's readily available from your local nursery, or as an organic substitute you can use honey. Now clip the top of the stems. The idea is to limit the amount of moisture that the cutting will lose, giving it a better chance of surviving. Give them some water. Place them somewhere in a filtered light rather than direct sunlight. Water them regularly, making sure that they don't dry out. And finally, once the cutting starts to show new leaf growth and roots at the base of the pot, they can be planted out. If you're short on cash, this is an easy, inexpensive way to make more plants for your garden.